Okay, so let's get to the video. Sorry, didn't adjust it good enough. Alright. Alright, maybe how about this? I think that's good. Alright, so I cannot poke at all. Alright, so I'm just gonna go get a butter knife and take it out. Alright guys, you're about to listen to something so satisfying. Well, I don't know. I mean, that satisfying for you guys. What? Yeah, that's not that satisfying, but. That wasn't that satisfying. But it's cool when you do it. Wow. Alright. Lately, guys, my swirls have been like off. Alright. Oh my god, I didn't realize I just poked. I'm so sorry. I swear I did. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm not supposed to poke. Guys, I'm gonna give you guys some life hacks. I'm sorry. Slime hacks. Those I'm gonna give you 5. So what you want to do if you want to make your slime stickier, all you have to do is do the hot water treatment. How you do that? Well, I'm gonna show you. So you turn on the hot water, you let it run, and then until you see steam comes out, you turn it off. Then put your slime in there, and then turn it back on, and then you just put it in there for 5 or 10 seconds. Make sure you get every little piece of it to be sticky. Okay, so and hack 2. If you want your slime to be sticky, stretchy, fluffy, well, not fluffy. If you want it to be sticky, stretchy, and soft, this soap called hand soap aloe vera, ALOEVERA. You turn the orange thing and yeah. Sorry guys, I was talking to my sister. So yeah. And it makes your slime stretchy, sticky, and really soft. Hack 3. You can also warm your slime up by putting it in there for about 5 seconds. If you feel like it doesn't really give you the pizzazz that you want, then put it in there for about 8 seconds. And then after that, it should be good. 5, oh wait, whatever hack I was on 4 or 3? I think I was on 4. I'm just gonna go before. Hack number 4. You can use lotion to make your slime nice and soft and sticky. And hack number 5. Number 5. Just gonna leave the water on like that. If you guys want your slime to be a little bit more fluffier, all you have to do is add 2 squirts shaving cream, and you have yourself a nice fluffy slime. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to stay crazy, cool, funny, weird, and unique. And that's it. I'm out. Bye bye.